In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark an invoice as paid in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're just getting started with QuickBooks or you're a seasoned pro, knowing how to update your invoices accurately is crucial to maintaining clean and up-to-date financial records. So, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to the Sales section, which you can find in the left-hand panel of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. This section is essentially your command center passage for anything related to incoming funds and customer transactions. Once you've clicked there, you'll find yourself amidst a wealth of financial information, all aimed at helping you manage your business's sales efficiently. Next, look for the Invoices tab. Clicking on this will bring you to a list of all the invoices you've generated. This tab provides a bird's-eye view of all your invoices, making it really convenient to keep track of what's been sent, what's pending, and what's already been paid. Now, find the invoice that you would like to mark as paid. Once you have located the specific invoice, direct your attention to the option labeled Receive Payment. You'll see this beside the invoice, and it's the key to marking your invoice as settled. Upon clicking Receive Payment, you're greeted with a Receive Payment form. This form is essential because it allows you to input all pertinent details regarding the payment you've received for the invoice. In this section, you can specify the amount received, the payment method, and any other relevant details that match your particular transaction. Ensuring these details are accurately filled in helps to keep your records precise and reliable, which can save you a lot of time during audits or reconciliations. Once you've double-checked all the information and everything appears in order, the next step is simple. Click Save and Close. By doing so, you're officially marking that invoice as paid, and you'll notice that QuickBooks automatically updates your records to reflect this status change. Thanks to these seamless updates, you no longer have to worry about inconsistencies in your records or tracking payments manually. And there you have it. That's all there is to marking an invoice as paid in QuickBooks Online. This small action can make a big difference in keeping your business's financial picture clear and reliable. By following these steps, you ensure that your books remain current and that you always have an accurate snapshot of your business's financial health. If you found this video helpful, feel free to explore more of our QuickBooks tutorials and deepen your understanding of this powerful financial tool. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping!